Hathor Mart served as a captain of the Thousand Sons during the Great Crusade and Horus Heresy. Born on Prospero, Hathor would be inducted as an Astartes of the Legion following their reuniting with their Primarch, Magnus the Red. Magister Templi of the Pavoni and captain of the Third Fellowship, Mart would specialize in the psychokinesis healing arts of the Warp. Seconded to the Emperor's Children and Lunar Wolves during the Great Crusade, Mart would return to his legion with pride, bequeathed with an oath of moment carved by the hand of Primarch Fulgrim himself for Mart's deeds. His favour of the Emperor's Children due to his heroism, handsome looks, and golden hair. One of the strongest magi within his legion, Mart's heroics would peak with his involvement in the defence of Prospero during the Horus Heresy. Surviving the onslaught of the Space Wolves, Sisters of Silence, and Custodians, Mart would retreat with his Primarch to the planet of Sorcerers. A loyal ally to Captain Arzek Ahriman, Mart would lend his own knowledge and powers in the efforts to prevent the 15th Legion's warp corruption of the Flesh Change. Yet with Hathor Mart's recruitment into the Cabal of Ahriman, Mart would begin to suffer the Flesh Change. Striking a bargain with the demon known as Aphorgamon, Mart would stave off his corruption by sacrificing human captives. Manipulating Mart into changing a line of script from the Book of Magnus, Hathor would subsequently succumb to the Flesh Change, with Ahriman sacrificing Hathor's life to allow the demon Aphorgamon to inhabit Mart's body. His body exchanging one transformation for another, Mart would be another pawn in the great game of the Ruinous Powers.